look at the consolidation here for Arrow. Look at this beautiful Adam and Eve double bottom that I did call out back at 51 cents for Arrow. This was a double bottom too, an Adam and Eve double bottom. And the beautiful prices for Arrow down there at 42 cents, and you're already back at 120. That's a 3x. 40 times 3 is 120, baby. Bang, bang, bang. If you've been following me, you've made some fat, juicy gains, and we haven't even hit quote-unquote the bull market yet. Anyone follow me or that was with me and found my education and guidance was buying Bitcoin between 15,000 and 22,000, and I was confident about it. I was explaining through technical analysis why I firmly believe that was positional strength, and we ended up being okay and getting through those times. So I believe we can do it again. I have so much faith in the fact that this education can get you through, because it got me through, and that's why I teach this education. That's why I'm here every single day. I talked about the S&P future continuing to pump, did I not? I gave you guys these trades. I said these things are going to move. I gave you the trade right here, if you remember correctly. That trade's still in the money. You can go back weeks and weeks and weeks when I called this for you. And now look at the liquidity further to the upside. We did not listen to the false liquid. And look, 62,500 for Bitcoin. Look at all the 333s. People make gains when they show up with the lifer, baby. People make gains when they show up with the lifer, baby. It pays to be here. Bullish divergence in the 1 hour time frame. It looks like by tomorrow, 1, 2, we will attempt to break through this key level. Look for the retest of 61,500 or the break back to the upside, 61.5. We have to get back above it, everybody. That's the key. Could this be the calling here? Good time to buy some BTC. And when it comes to moving averages, whenever they're this close and this tight together, a huge move to the upside ensues 90% of the time. I can't tell you it's going to happen this time. But what I can tell you is usually a huge move ensues, or is on the way when you see these moving averages getting this close together. Look, this is a Sammy cup and handy to the upside. Measured move would take you to 74,700 for BTC. And look, that rejection by the yellow line, the 208, really good place to take some profit, because if we flip it, I can get back to a flag on the 5, 7, or the 1 minute time frame, because that tells us that we have more trend going our way, and now I can use the smaller time frames to adjust myself into the trend. Understand? So by establishing a bigger time frame trend and then I move it to a smaller time frame is how I'm able to make gains on a consistent basis. And the stream's about building yourself up spiritually, financially. It's about making yourself the person you want to be. I do this every day because it's what I want to do with my life. I don't have to work for somebody else, so I would like to spread light, love, and happiness and teach. I found a consistent strategy that makes gains that I like to share with others. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin here, 63,200. My target, 66,200 for Bitcoin. And it suggests we can get to 64K. I've given you guys my long-term calls. This is it right here. It's still sitting here from this morning. And there's your daily chart. I mean, the entry is now stop loss below 58,600. And the target's 82K. And that's just what I see happening there for Bitcoin. Arrow drone for the love, baby. Arrow drone 147. Can I get a yes, ma'am? Woo! And I gave you guys the call, stop loss. I teach you exactly where to put the stop, how to make it happen. Arrow pumping up 19%. I see more coming for Arrow, baby. I see Tesla is probably the last time to buy it here before it pumps huge. It's going to come down, likely make this higher low, get very tight inside this channel, and I see a massive move for Tesla. And that's what I see happening to Tesla. This is the buy for Tesla.